around with me, hold it down. Look what we found. Fuck what we was talking about.
So this Kia Soul's front wheel drive. I don't think I know of any other model of the Kia Soul that's anything else other than front wheel drive, but that's what this one is. So that's why we're picking it up by the front end, not by the rear end. When it comes to a wheel lift, what makes the difference on how we tow the car is based on the driveline, okay? So, and I showed you in another video on how Cadillac CTS was rear wheel drive, and that's why we grabbed it from the rear, because the drivetrain is at the rear wheels, which means the back wheels do all the push and provide the power to move the car. In this situation, this car is front wheel drive, which means that the front wheels do all the pulling and provide the power to move the car. If you're ever unsure about a drivetrain, there's a couple things that you can do to make sure you're doing it right. So again, that Cadillac CTS, we got up underneath the front of it, and I showed you how there was no axles in front wheel. That is not the case here. As you can see, there's your transaxle that's right there. See, goes in to that wheel hub. This is a front wheel drive car. While you're here up underneath it, see if I can get you down there. From the front, you can see there's no drive shaft that runs from the transmission down there to the back. If there's any power going to the back wheels down there, that means that there's gonna be a drive shaft. Something that you can definitely look for before you tow the car.